Hello, I'm Clay from A Frog's Dream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. It is beautiful out, absolutely stunning. The weather's been wonderful, the spring has been beautiful, and now all the trees are blooming. It's gorgeous. See this red bud behind me? Absolutely beautiful flowers. The trees have been going crazy. The cherry blossoms are blooming. The maple trees are dropping all their stuff. I don't know what it's called. The dogwoods are blooming. The peach trees, the apple trees, everything is blooming at the same time. And we have some serious high tree pollen going on right now. But what does that really mean for us, and what does that mean for our ponds? Tree pollen, all of the debris from the flowering trees, while it's beautiful, can wreak havoc on our ponds. All of this debris from the spring can actually be worse than the fall. The tree pollen is really high, and when all of this stuff gets into our ponds, it can completely knock the pond out of balance. There's so many organics in the water, so much stuff going on, that it can actually turn our pond either green really fast, cloudy, or maybe it'll kind of create a tea-colored look in your pond, or tannins, put tannins in your water. But what can you actually do about this? So there's a couple of things you can do. One, if you have a skimmer, make sure you're cleaning your skimmer out. Check it daily, because if you have a lot of trees, especially the maple trees, and if you have a lot of flowering trees around your pond, check that skimmer or wherever your pumps are pumping on a daily basis. That's step one. Step two, if you don't have a skimmer, or even if you do have a skimmer, get yourself a good skimming net. Try to get all this stuff out as much as possible every day if you can. It'll really help from the tannins. And the pollen, there's not much you can do about that. We can't keep that out. So the best thing you can do is make sure you're adding consistent water treatments. If you have a lot of trees in your yard or even around your property, add bacteria every couple of days. It'll help keep the tannins down. It'll help keep the pollen in check in your pond, so your pond doesn't go away. If for some reason it does, just be patient. The pond will turn around. Add your bacteria, do what you do consistently. If you have a good ecosystem, a good filtration, everything will turn back around. So that's this week's Weekly Ribbit. It's beautiful out. Enjoy all the tree flowers. Enjoy this, what spring has. Enjoy this weather. And enjoy your ponds. That's this week's Weekly Ribbit. Don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, please make sure you click the link below that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your questions, submit your pictures, so you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Have a great week, everyone.